welcome back to the vlog. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and your girl Sophie, and we are in the Netherlands since yesterday. Today is Monday because like yesterday I had to come here last minute because I got a message that Sophie's daycare will be closed at least today and tomorrow, since the person who runs Sophie's daycare has a family emergency. Somebody passed away in her family, and yeah, so the daycare is closed. They did not reach out to me to see if there is any other alternative, and today I have the late shift, which would have meant that I would be home with Sophie all by myself till 1:30, and then I would have to figure it out until Benny gets home around 6-ish. So we opted to come to the Netherlands, Sophie and I, and then my mom will be done around 3. By that time Sophie will be doing her nap, and then she can babysit Sophie while I get my work done. So yeah, some serious things, and this is what happens when you don't have a village in Belgium. But at least I'm really grateful that I had this solution and that my mom and stepdad can help me with this, you know. So yeah, really grateful for that. But Sophie's birthday is also next week, and this Saturday we will be hosting a party for her. So it's kind of a blessing and a curse that I had to come here last minute and everything. But the blessing sits in the part that we can get a lot of the preparations done during this week, and that I'm already here because my mom is actually hosting the party for her, and there's a lot of things that she needs the help with. So yeah, that's that. Today Sophie and I are going to action. She's actually a little tired because she was so excited to be here yesterday that she was refusing to go to sleep. She was just hanging out with grandpa and grandma, and now she's paying the price, you know. But I'm gonna try to this week at least do something fun with her before I start my shift, and then also help my mom with the preparations for the party. So yeah, welcome back to the vlog. That's a long intro, I'm sorry about that, but give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how your day is going. Okay, let me know how your day is going. Our day is going good so far. We are grateful, we are blessed, we are abundant, and it's almost our birthday, you know. It's also almost my birthday too, which is really fun. So grateful. Welcome to the vlog. Let's go. Alright, amiga, we have arrived at Action, and I'm gonna try to get just what I came here for. So let's do some shopping. I need some stuff to fill up goodie bags for boys. I have like so many things for girls, but only candy, cookies, and food actually to put in the goodie bags for boys, and nothing like a toy or an accessory. So I'm gonna check if I can find anything for the boys. Contemplating if I should get this for the party. Can always come later, but Too Sweet is the theme of the party. You like those? Do you like those? Look at these, 99 cents. Yeah. This might be fun. Do you think? Look what I found. These little balls, bouncy balls. This could be cool for a boy, right? Let's see. I need 9. Uh-oh. Nee, mommy, nee. Ball. So many things for girls, but the girls already have everything. Got everything, and I also got her this thing. Let's put the cart back and then go to the grocery store, and then we're done with this little errand for today. Amiga, I'm back at my parents' house. I start working in 5 minutes, but I made it. I managed to put Sophie down for her nap, so that's perfect. By the time my mom gets home from work, she might still be sleeping, might also not, we will see. But then my mom can take over, and I managed to find all the things that I went to action for. I left them in the car, unfortunately, because Sophie was, I saw that she needed to take her nap and I didn't want to risk it, so I left them in the car. I will pick them up later. But yeah, I'm ready to start my shift. I'm gonna warm up something to eat real fast and then it's work time. I'm so excited about this morning. Really grateful that everything worked out for me. Yay! By the way, I quickly stopped at Albertijn to get some snacks and things for myself and for Sophie. I got these yogurt crackers for myself, these basil tomato crackers for me, chamomile tea for me, and then tangerines for Sophie. That's her favorite lately. Iced coffees for me, and then yogurt for myself mostly, but sometimes Sophie also eats them. But yogurt, grapes, aka apples as Sophie likes to call them, rose vitae, what do you call these? Raisin breads, little raisin breads for Sophie. That's it. Let's put everything away because we need to start working in a little bit. They ask me why I don't make my targets. Nee, mommy, nee, 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 nee. 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 Oh. Venosa. Good morning, amiga. It is a new day. And today I have the day off. Sophie and I are gonna go to the petting zoo close to my mom's house. And after that, we're gonna do some grocery shopping. I need to get diapers, like little errands that we need to get done. But I thought first we're gonna go to the petting zoo because I definitely want Sophie to have a little activity that she had today. And no excuses. So she comes first today. And we're gonna go to the petting zoo now. Let's go. Say hi. Hello. Oh. No? Okay, she said no. Oh, she said no. Kijk de geitjes. Oh, so cute. So cute, Sophia. Say hi. Oh, kijk die babygeit dan. Oh my, so cute, mama's. So cute. We're gonna walk, and I hope I don't regret this. I really hope so, because this petting zoo, the animals are just walking by themselves. Look at this cat coming our way. Look. Can you see him? He seems excited. He was like, yeah. Look at the cat. Hello, kitty cat. Hello, kitty cat. Hey, tiger. Kom maar. All right. Hi, doggy. Oh. Hello. Hello. Wow. The piggies are sleeping. And here we have the bunnies. Look at the bunnies. Say hi, bunnies. Do you see the bunnies?
No.
What?
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at the duckies. Hello. Hey, Sophie, say hi to the bunnies. Bunnies. Hello, bunnies. Hey, Martha. Hello. Hello. Hello, geitjes. Hello. Say hi. Yeah, say hello. Oh, cutie, look at him. Look at him. Hi. Oh.
Volgens mij is die oude mama met die onderkant.
Every time that we come here, she's more independent. And this is like the first time that she's walking by herself. Like, of course, I have her on this thing because I don't want her to run into water or whatever. But yeah, she's here walking, doing the whole thing. I love it. Hi, Pony. Hi, Pony. Pony. Wow. Wow. Donkeys. Donkey. Alright, that was a successful visit. So fun to see her just walk around and browse and do her thing. Now we're quickly gonna go to the mall and get our errands done because it's almost 12 o'clock and that means Sophie's nap is about in an hour, so she's gonna start complaining for it or falling asleep and stuff. So I'm gonna make it quick. Let's go.
Better say something that would change my mind.
Time for our errands.
Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind.
I think we need this one.
And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
Party dress time. Oh, sorry, Mama.
Tudo, no? É 600 publicidade assim aí. Sapato da Yega.
Queria.
É sapato da Yega. Dia 5 de dia 7. Já passa ver o aqui.
Consegue ter outro?
Passa ver o aqui.
Hi, amiga. It is now much later. I'm doing some preparations for Sophie's party. I wish I filmed it, but I didn't. I DIY'd all of these earlier this evening. But I was a little stressed out because Sophie's party is literally in 3 days. I had the idea, but I had no idea how I was gonna make them come to life. And I'm happy I did. But basically, I just designed them in Canva. And then I printed them, glued them onto cardboard, and then just like shoved the scrunchies on top of the cards. And that's it. And now I'm just wrapping them into like a little plastic thingy so that they can look like this. But I think they turned out super cute. It's like a little ballerina, a brown one, because it's supposed to resemble Sophie. And it has like a little thank you card. It says, thank you that you were here. Sophie's Two Sweets party. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And my mom was literally stressing me out even more. She was like, yeah, why did you leave these things to the last minute? And I was like, because I thought it was gonna be easier, you know. But it's all working out, you know. Everything always works out for me. What do you know about that, huh? Guys, my baby is gonna be 2. Like, what? 2 years. I can't believe she's gonna be 2, guys. Like, what? Oh my god. And we also needed to like arrange how we're gonna like pick up her cakes, because I have ordered, like, my mom ordered, not me. My mom is doing this party for her, by the way. I'm just taking care of the aesthetically pleasing things, because my mom is more about the food and that everyone is having a good time, and I'm more like with the decoration and all that. So yeah, there was just a lot to do still, and we managed to do a lot of it today, but boy, stressful. All of this could have been so much easier if I had like this circut thing. So I don't know, but I think, like, isn't it like a waste if you're not gonna do this like all the time? And I do think it's a little wasteful, no? To have like a circut if you don't use it enough. I'm not like that much of a DIY girly anyways, but these turned out really cute. Oh, I also made like stickers. We have these little jars with coconut oil in them that is also homemade. And I also designed stickers for them, but I didn't have sticker paper, so do not ask. But I had to make my own stickers today as well. Oh my god, it was insane. But I made it happen, and that's what counts. Look at this, this is so cute. Little tutu ballerina. Adorbs. And these are the final results. Super cute.
Ano, Jennyfer, aqui, ai Deus.
Ga dan eten, Sophie? Ga je niet eten bij oma? Eten bij oma? Yum! Taki model. Poco, 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 poco. Yummy! Yummy! Goed zo!
Mas quando ora me tá querendo dessa coisa aqui, Jenny?
Alleen namin volgens Bisa? Tapi saya mi gusta tin su stoel besin dat ding, pero ja. Ook zie me de gasta mi zeggen maar een stoel maar. Professionele dingen.
Ja, hou niet van tobben.
Toch? Wauw! Wow, Sophie, wil je hem testen? Was dat leuk? Huh? Ja. Well, amiga, it is the packing central.
Packing Central.
Yes.
Look at us.
Hey. Yeah, we are filling up. Oh, we are filling up all the goodie bags now. At work, but it's fun. I'm so grateful that she came to help me because
We're like a machine.
yeah, I'm stressed to say the least, but it's working out. Mommy. Hi amiga, today is the day of the party. I'm at the venue already, everything is set up. And we're just waiting for everybody to arrive. Sophie went to the car with Benny to take a little nap because she is exhausted. So pray for me that this is gonna go well. But we're set up. Today is party time. It is now Monday after the party. Tomorrow is Sophie's actual birthday. We just got home from my mom's. We were there for about a week. And yeah, the party was super fun. I'm so proud of Sophie for how she handled it all. In the beginning, she didn't want anything to do with the party, but that was because of nap time. But eventually when she did her nap, she had her bottle. She was way better about it and she really enjoyed herself. It gave me the opportunity to make friends, like other mommy friends that have children around the same age. So I'm definitely gonna follow up with that and like meet up with some of my friends now that have children from the same age for little play dates and things. Here in Belgium, I only have like kind of one mommy friend, and that's kind of it. So that's not a lot. And her child goes to the same daycare as Sophie. So yeah, that's that actually, you know. And other than that, not really. So now I just got the opportunity to meet up with other moms as well. And it was just fun having everyone there with their children. And then everyone is in the same stage because of their age, of course. So all of them are starting to talk now, trying to figure out what they're saying. Like the little tantrums every now and then. Like everyone is dealing with the same thing. The nap time situation. Everyone had something to say about the nap time. Some did take a nap, others didn't. Some took a nap in the car. And it was really funny to just see that everyone is in the same boat when it comes to that. So yeah, it was really refreshing and fun. More fun than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know. You know, it was beyond my expectation, to be very honest. But now Sophie and I are gonna go buy some flowers, and then we're gonna bring them to the owner of Sophie's daycare, because like I said, she had like a family situation. Somebody passed away. Her mom actually passed away. So we're gonna drop off some flowers at least. And Sophie will be going on Thursday because tomorrow is her birthday. So she doesn't have to go tomorrow. We have the day off and so does she. So I thought I would still go and like bring some flowers with Sophie. So we're gonna try to find some flowers for her and then drop those off. But yeah, that's that. I just wanted to tap in and tell you how it was yesterday. I was tired. We were supposed to come home yesterday and everyone was just exhausted of everything. So I took some time to help my mom clean up, like do all the dishes, like clean up everything that needed to be cleaned up. And then this morning I packed up the car and then we drove back home. And because my car is kind of small, I couldn't bring all the gifts in one. So some of the gifts are still at my mom's. I'm gonna pick them up this weekend, which is fine. Sophie's over here microwaving things. The little bear was in the microwave 2 seconds ago. Yay, mamas. Let's do it. Yeah. Hey. Hey, mamas. Hey. Hey. On the bike, we're on our way to like buy the flowers now. And then after that, we're gonna go to Sophie's daycare to drop them off. These are the flowers that we ended up getting. Wow! Lekker? Yum? Yummy! Sophie heeft een chocolaatje gekregen bij de Leonidas, hè? Ja, lekker hè? Oh, goshie. Hey amiga, it is carnival in our street. Yeah! Yay! Jump, jump. Yeah! Yeah! Leuk hè, mamies? Eso! Wat leuk, Saf! Een stukje meelopen? Oké dan. Sophie's little birthday meal. Or birthday snack, I should say, because she's gonna eat actual dinner later. But I thought I would treat her to her little snack, her fries that she really, really loves. I'm in the process of making like little gift bags for Sophie to bring to daycare tomorrow. I have a tangerine, a cookie, like one of these things, and then this. There's just one boy, so I got him a ball.
Okay.
A ball for Ramilo.
Hey, dit heb ik ook,
I
ja.
also have like little cups.
Dit heb
The
ik
boy
ook.
is getting the blue cup, huh? And the gifts are ready. Yay!